Hello everyone, I'm Chris with U-Haul. Today we're going to review the Thule Helium Pro 3 aluminum hanging style bike rack. Now this bike rack is very easy to use and a very reliable way to secure your bikes on your next adventure with friends or family. Now let's take a closer look at some of its features. Begin with inserting your key lock. Begin twisting till it catches and seats. Now insert the mounting shank into the main body by following the lines with the square block. Down like so. You can now put one provided washer on the bolt. Pull the lever to get the holes to line up. Now line it up on the back side. Second flat washer, locking nut. Use the two provided tools to tighten it down. If you plan to install this bike rack on an 1.25" hitch, use the provided Allen wrench to remove these two bolts. It will allow you to take off the adapter and install it on your 1.25". You can now install your super lightweight 20-pound Helium Pro 3. You can now tighten the anti-wobble knob, lifting up on the bike rack to take out as much slack as possible. Tighten to a snug fit, but do not over tighten. And then you can use the provided key to lock the bike rack to the vehicle. We can now raise the arms on the Helium Pro 3 by pulling up on the lever. Now insert the keyed lock. Now locate two of the longer ratchet straps. Insert them like so. Now repeat for the remaining longer straps. You can now pop out the anti-sway cradle for the down tube of the seat to insert the smaller ratcheting strap. The Helium Pro 3 does come with a tilt-away feature. However, Thule does not want bikes on the rack when we do so. So we will put it in our stored position, and then this lower handle will allow us to tilt it away and access our cargo area. Do note that our anti-sway cradles do not adjust from side to side, so the first bike must be loaded with handlebars to the passenger side, so this strap can strap the down tube of the bike. Pressing the button helps you get the strap in a little easier. Now tighten your top straps. Thule has provided a locking security cable for the bikes. Thule has provided a support strap that we can use to secure the front tire to keep it from wobbling around on the adventure. Do note there is lots of length in this strap so that you can use it on all three bikes if it's fully loaded. That concludes our review of the Thule Helium Pro 3. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see you out there. This is a 20-pound bike rack. Can hold 3 bikes with a max weight per bike of 37.5 pounds and a total weight capacity of 112.5 pounds. If you have any questions about this bike rack, or if you'd like to take a closer look at one, visit your nearest U-Haul Hitch Center or visit us online at uhaulhitches.com.